Hey, it's Todd Ault. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is bubble. And do I mean stock market bubble or individual stock bubbles, industry bubbles? Bubbles have been around a long time, way back to the tulip mania. Yes, tulips, the plant, were bid up and they got more and more expensive and people had to own them. And at one point, tulips cost thousands of dollars. Now, eventually that tulip mania blew up, but there have been bubbles for generations, right? There were bubbles in the car business. There were over 40 car manufacturers that went bust. There's been bubbles in the internet. There's been bubbles in real estate. And this is part of the cycle of the human condition about thinking things can grow to the sky. But I would say to you that generally when there's a bubble, there's a change in the economic prospects of that particular industry. These bubbles are justified by irrationality. It's different this time. Those are words you'll hear. But no one can really predict when a bubble is going to burst. So there's been generational bubbles. There's been bubbles that take place all the time. And I tend to not pay attention to them except to invest in them. They tend to gain a lot of momentum and become volatile towards the end of their life cycle. But you never really know when there's a bubble till after the bubble's passed. Then you get a lot of people telling you that the bubble is going to burst. I don't pay a lot of attention to that. I pay attention to the leaders in that particular bubble. In all leadership of bubbles, there are stocks that emerge to the top, and they generally have big corrections. During the internet bubble, Amazon fell all the way down to about $4 a share. Now today it's over $3,000, but they were a leader in online sales, and many of these online retailers went away, and Amazon did not, and you could see that by their cash position and their ability and their commitment to stay with the process. Generally, the ones that are first to market are the ones that are strong. Hey, I could talk about bubbles all day long. Bubbles have existed since the stock market's been around, and long before that, all the way to when you're trading spices, all the way back to the beginning. Now, bubbles can be a great opportunity for an investor, but understand they can be dangerous when they pop. I use this phrase when I think about bubbles. Stocks can go higher than you ever thought possible and lower than you ever thought imaginable. Today's word is bubbles.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.